Give it a moment. It's gonna do it again.
Oh.
I'll get into the cradling position to prepare. Oh no!
Do we have an emergency phone?
Pardon?
Do we have an emergency phone number for them?
999.
It's not Not James sat here drinking his hot chocolate as if nothing's going on. Oh my god!
This happened to my house last year.
Did it stop?
No, I was in the house.
Oh.
But they just, I think we rang them up and was like, help.
Well, we can't stand here all night.
No, I think Archie should.
So should we take shifts?
He will take shifts. He's got
I
this
was
shit.
gonna have a wrap though.
A wrap?
I was gonna have a wrap, a little snack.
I want chocolate.
Well, you have a car.
I do.
So.
Already.
Damn, is it? John.
Oh,
No. Yeah. John's out there.
It's like I'll play an operation. Like, I think we should just. I think we should call them.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, go on. Sorry, I thought I hit you then, JC. Look at him. That's awful. Is James here?
No, James has gone in. James is gone.
Where's James
I
gone?
don't know.
James!
Is he drinking his hot chocolates?
No, he's drank that. He sat there and had it whilst we were trying to. Well, you guys were trying to sort this. I got my camera. James! Oh, he's probably on the toilet. We need a tall person.
Are you going to Tesco?
Well, yeah, if we get this sorted, yeah, potentially.
It's sorted now, isn't it?
No, well, the key's still in it, Archie. Did you reset it?
I've not done anything.
Shoot, let's make a short film right now. This could be part of your vlog.
Well, yeah, it is.
Can I be Scottish in the film?
Yeah, go on.
So funny.
Yeah, it's one of those. It's like a Super 8. We're gonna shoot it all on one roll, but it's just one video. Go on, be Scottish.
Oh, heck. Oh, dear me. I can't believe it.
25 minutes.
That's the worst thing I've ever heard.
Oh, my heck.
How long have you been on hold for?
5 minutes and 23 seconds, and I need a wee now.
Give me your best.
Where?
I'm Jim from The Office. Talk to me, then talk to them. Look at the camera.
I'm Jim from The Office.
Oh my god.
I've not seen it.
It's like he's in the room.
I've not seen it.
Like when he looks at the camera, he goes like.
Oh, right. Is that alright?
Yeah, I like that.
Are we going to explain the situation we're in?
No, we just have to subtext.
Leave it up for the audience to figure out.
Oh, actually, we can't leave the house with a bloody fire emergency. No,
There's
we
no
can't.
fire.
The Tesco.
Well, you've just given away the subtext, haven't you?
Tesco
J-Lo, fire.
passed away.
Ooh, film has a weird smell.
That's what they say about you.
I mean, it's not. Oh, Vine would have loved that. Oh, it's still going.
Our team are currently on the phone, so your call is being placed in our queue. Please.
What are we supposed to do?
I'm just burnt to death. I'm not waiting.
You're right.
I mean, is that... What did they say?
Well, we did everything it said to on there, and now it's not working.
What's in your quesadilla? With pesto. Hey YouTube. You alright? Just a little bit of dinner time with Archie. I got the cacciadilis with cheese
No, we
and
did this last time.
red pesto. Got my hat from Vietnam. Got my pyjamas from Primark. I think that's all I really have to say to
All our
you.
team are currently on the phone, so so your call is being placed in our queue. Please hold. Answer your call in English.
I don't know whether to.
I'm trying to video someone else.
Good evening and welcome. An influencer by the
No!
name John Pork has been
Stop!
found dead
No.
on the banks of the Colorado River. First responders arrived at the scene early this morning after several eyewitnesses spotted the lifeless body. Currently, the FBI is researching the cause of death, but one crucial piece of evidence points to a homicide. This is a leaked audio recording from an unanswered call made by John Pork.
That's horrible. How are they on together?
No, I'm not going to go
Well,
anyway.
someone has to stay here with my phone then.
Me?
Well, we don't need to go Tesco's. It's fine. I've got a Guinness. Anyway.
I thought you wanted ice cream.
Rest in peace, John Pork. You'll be missed.
Well, I'd like some chocolate.
Okay.
A Guinness is kind of like what? Like a nice
Our
one.
top story tonight, John Pork.
No! John Pork is not coming to the birthday party. John
Who's this
Pork.
man?
Dead.
How have they managed to get this man to do a John Paul video?
He's not got any other acting jobs. Look at
And
him.
amassed millions of followers across various social media platforms. It's a dark day for the online community as they mourn the loss of one of their own.
This is so sad. I don't know why you guys don't invite him.
Because he's dead.
I'm not wasting an invite on
You
dead
can't
man.
invite a dead man.
James, what are we doing right now?
Oh, you
Oh, okay.
So, I've just finished my baked beans on toast. I didn't realise we were going straight into filming. I'm drinking Lemsip because I've got a cold.
I got a pizza in the oven. It's just the cheese is browning off on the top, and we're currently planning who we're inviting to our special little party.
And more importantly, who are not inviting them.
So from the kitchen is your weapon. What would it be?
No, it wouldn't be a knife because you're not trying to kill them.
Yes,
You're trying to behead them.
No, you have to stab them in the head.
No, you have to behead them, don't you?
No, you just have to injure their
You're going
brainstem.
by Walking Dead things. I'm going by probably. I don't know.
The
I don't
whole-
watch zombie things. I don't.
You have to explode the head. It's basically just
Explode or detach the head.
destroy the brain.
No,
Yeah.
it's just a brainstem though, so you can stab them in the head and it'll be fine.
Double tap anyway, Zombieland style.
Only
Yeah.
zombie film I've ever watched
Sure.
is Shaun of the Dead. I'm not a zombie person. I've never got it.
Well, then you have no zombie law.
Sorry. But I know you've got to do. You've got to. I thought you had to take the head off.
No, you don't have
or
to.
crush the head.
No,
I
well, you
think you can
just damage
stab
the
it.
head. Yeah, you can just stab it.
Okay.
So knife. I'm having it. I want a
Pizza
knife.
cutter to cut the head off.
That feels really inefficient. Actually, what would you have?
I suppose it depends whose kitchen it is.
I'd sharpen one of them trays and use it as a frisbee to behead them.
But then
Whose-
you've got
is
to
it-
run
is it
after
our
your
kitchen?
frisbee. Yeah, this kitchen right
Well,
now.
this is my question. I don't know why I'm asking you that.
Yeah.
What do I have?
Probably take a pizza and just go and eat it and die. Riveting content.
Cheese grater.
You can't.
I looked at that and went, that's a stupid answer. Can you explain your answer?
4 sides, isn't there? 4 weapons.
4 useless weapons. That doesn't have much reach. You have to like be right up close and
Throw it,
yeah.
and it'll graze them.
Yeah, but they're already dead. You don't graze them. You've got to destroy the brain.
They're undead.
Excuse the state of me right now. I've just got out of the shower, but I went charity shopping today and I totally forgot I got the boys a little gift. So this is what I've got them. We have a load of magnets on our fridge in our house. So I've got them this little milk magnet because it's just a bit odd. I'm just going to wrap it up on what the lady gave and I'm going to go take it to them. It's not anything that special, but...
What is it?
A proper salford present.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh, little milkman! Little milkman!
Wow.
Wow, that sounds so great.
Yeah, put it next to Anne.
That's terrifying.
Now, no, we have to think. Are we gonna put the little milkman next to Black Midi and Frank? Ho Chi Minh? Or Che Guevara? This is a tough decision.
That DIY cinnamon roll on that. Huh?
Can't tell me.
Yeah.
You point at
Red
both
light
of us.
means it's recording.
Yeah, but I can't tell you.
Yeah.
He's pointing at both of us or in the middle.
Both of you.
Yeah.
Thumbnail!
I've sprained my wrist and it's still not better. Now my family is mocking me in the group chat.
What are you saying?
I said, should I go and get it checked out? It's been 2 weeks, but I haven't had a chance to rest it because I've been at work. And my dad and my brother were like, it's not in agony, is it? So you can wait it out.
Give us a fridge tour.
Imagine that drops.
I'll catch you with one.
That's one for the thumbnail. Ooh.
Showed a bit of chest there, aren't you? I was gonna say,
Why?
it's like
Because it's disrespectful.
I was gonna say, can I just finish my sentence?
They're not the same flavour.
Why not?
Ribena, just blackcurrant.
It's like-
Vimto,
Yeah, no, but
grape, raspberry, blueberries, barley. You get everything in there. It's a
It's got
Vim.
barley in it. I can't drink that.
Vim tonic. It is a tonic. It gives you energy.
What's Vim?
Vim like Vim. Vim and vigour. As in a tonic. And this is zero as well, so it's even better for you. Ribena, Ribena squash. Boring.
No, I was gonna say, it's like Ribena mixed with iron brew.
I like iron brew. Yeah. I am keen on an iron brew. But if there was only one drink left in the world, for me it would be Vimto.
I hope I get you for Secret Santa. I'm just going to buy the big
No, that's shit. When I do Secret Santa, when I have to give a list, I say no tat and no food and drink. It's a waste of a present.
No tats! That's the whole point of a Secret
I was just
Santa.
gonna get you like a Lynx Africa.
James, what do you want for your birthday?
Yeah, what do you want for your birthday? Oh my god, it's in about 10 days.
New friends.
See, I've got Amazon Prime, so it'll be alright.
I'd like.
We can order it. Order on the 16th.
This isn't hashtag ad.
I'd like Jacob to be at my party for my birthday.
Yeah. We don't
Me?
think you're working on that.
Oh, I'm working.
I am in work till
See
7.
how good these friends
But
are.
what are you working? Which show? He'll be back. By
11.
yeah.
Is it?
Really?
What time's the party starting? I'm back by 11:30.
Party starts like.
Are you working too? Oh.
I'm supposed to be.
Where are you
Cancelled the
coming
shift.
back from?
Nowhere. Because I'm not working now.
You quit.
No, I was supposed to be working that night now.
So when are you gonna? Why are you coming back at 11?
No, I have been coming back at 11:30, which is before 11. So what show are you working?
She's
It's
a
from-
musical
Oh,
theatre person.
Holly's
It's
leaving
from
me. She
Strictly.
just needed to wait 2 seconds while I check this. We're gonna film that.
Oh god, this is like a scene of film. A24.
Like an Italian then,
Oh,
James.
you can look it up.
Italian.
Do that face again.
Hello! The whole residents are here.
Well, they're not.
Well, okay, bar Jason.
Do that face again. The
I thought he was going out with his old house
He's
tonight.
ill.
I'm feeling quite poorly tonight, Holly, so I'm having a night in.
Don't put the camera that close to me.
Oh, nice. I was just asking. Oh wait, no, don't film me. I was just asking, are you coming today?
I'm so tired, I'm literally just gonna go to bed. Guys, it's the day of the party. £70 Tesco food shop.
Is fill the syrup to the top of this. So the double of that is a single. So that will be 25 milliliters. Do you want to slap it on?
Quick's told that now.
Oh, don't do that!
How'd you get it off?
No, don't!
Got it off. Got it off.
Oh, you know.
And then double strain. I can triple strain. Or if I strain as well.
Okay, this is 2, remember? Or you just your saltine cocktails. Give me one.
Taste test. It's a passion fruit martini. So
Right, I'm gonna fill up to the top, bitch. Two of these doubles. No, well, no. No, a double. A double is that. That's a double.
Two.
that's bloody strong. Sports mix. Martini.
You want to make yours posh?
Let's see.
Sports mix works in, put it on the top.
There's still a decent amount now.
It makes it posh. Jacob, do you want to make yours posh?
No.
Melly, do you want to make yours posh?
Yeah, go on, please. Pop this one in. Cheers.
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 Cheers, sweetie. To friendship and cocktails.
Imagine watching this back when we have kids.
What? Together?
You think I'm ever watching this back?
You watch like the vlogs.
Yeah,
Yeah,
are you
but not when I've got
joking?
kids. I'm going to be forgetting all this by the time.
No, you're gonna be like, look how cool I was. It's gonna be like your
Because
parents.
your kids are going to have to go camping together to like continue our
Laughing.
tradition.
Yeah.
How do
How do you want us actually?
Yeah, I feel a bit awkward stood so far away from the camera.
drawn and
Should we get closer?
I'm trying to work out how to put the timer on.
Okay, Dad.
Oh, it's that. I didn't realise I could scroll.
Yeah.
Right, 10 seconds.
10! No, we don't need 10!
Do we not?
No,
Yeah, 10 seconds.
no, we stood there for ages. And also, why?
Well, it's 10 or 3. Why is it 10 or 3? That's an awkward number gap.
We need to shuffle, we need to shuffle, we need to shuffle. Maybe we need to
10 seconds.
We
Right,
need to go
okay.
this way.
10 seconds.
I'm going this
There you go. This looks so awkward. Why are we stood so
Because it is
far
really
from the
awkward.
camera? Like,
Let's just do selfies, man. Why are we
yeah,
doing
why
it?
can't we?
Come on.
He's trying to cycle through Arndale. Trying to cycle through Arndale with his dog. And he got taken out by someone. And he
As in taken out of the building or taken
No,
out?
take it for a nice dinner.
He didn't navigate the space very well and fell off his bike and got really pissed at people. And I was like, what's going on?
Well,
Average man just
my